To my channel, this is Tint, and today I'm gonna teach you how we can put a video background on your website. So this is the simple tutorial I will teach you. Alright, so here are the demo you can see and understand. So when we write a code, you can understand clearly, right? So it's looking beautiful. Okay, so let's write a code. I have created the project inside htdoc, have a folder which is YouTube tutorial, and inside that we have a video bg. Okay, and inside that we have a one video golden gate bridge.mp4 video file, and another one is the index.html, right? So you need to create it and just drag and drop inside in your code editor. Actually I have wrote all the codes it here. It's just very easy, right? We will see line by line and step by step, right? So first we will see here are the simple HTML code, right? And we have a div, and it has a class which is a background wrap, and inside we have an element which is the video, and it has a id which is the video bg element, right? And preload, this is the HTML5 player, and it's autoplay. It's true and loop, it's automatically you can see it's autoplay means it's when the video has finished, again it's restart, right? And muted, it means it disable your volume, and inside we have a source tag, and we have a file which is golden gate bridge.mp4, and video forward slash, it's a format, it's a mp4, right? And we have a mp4 format. So we have added it here, right? And these are the content which we have a video background tutorial, and we have a this small text which is inside a paragraph. You can see this tutorial show you how to put video background for your website. So this things we can see at here clearly. And this video I want to give for this video, right? So it's looking very good, and it's perfect for our websites for adding the video background. And here we have some CSS. So it's not necessary if you know little bit CSS, right? So if you want to get a zip files, I will provide you in a video description, right? So you can click the link and download it. So this is the very small tutorial based on the video background tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and next time I will come with the new thing. Till then, bye, take care, bye.